Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you all about the Lange Duo straightener and curling iron. This thing has changed my life. It is so easy to use, so I thought I would sit down, show you how I curl my hair, all that good stuff. We can hang out and let's do it. So, one of the main things I love about this is that it has temperature control. So I have very fine hair. I recently had a baby, he's 1, but every time I have a baby I lose a ton of hair. So much hair. It comes back, but it's rough, man. So if you're postpartum and you're losing your hair, it does get better, but it takes a minute. So I prefer to wear my hair with curls because I don't have much of it right now. So I'm going to show you how I use this and why I love it so much. The main thing is I can control the temperature. So because my hair is so fine, I don't want my curling irons and straighteners up over 400 degrees. So I set mine at 360. That works perfectly for me. My curls last. And I don't feel like I'm damaging my hair. But before I do that, I always go in with dry shampoo first. I did just wash my hair this morning, so it is clean, but because it's fine, I just find 1, adding dry shampoo helps it produce less oil for tomorrow, and 2, it gives it a little bit of texture, a little bit of grip for those curls to hold on to. So I'm using this one. It's just Dove, but there's a bunch of good ones out there. So I'm just gonna lift my hair up at the roots and just spray a little bit in. And then at my part. Alright, and then the other product I use is a heat protectant. So this one's by Sunbum, and it's kind of unique because it separates into 2 different colors and you have to shake it to like activate it, but it smells so good. So I just do a light layer before I start doing my hair. Alright, so now I do have it all heated up, but what makes this unique is there is a fan built into this barrel here, so it cools the curls as you're doing your hair. The other nice thing is it can act as a straightener, so really it's just multi-purpose. And as a mom, like, when do you not love one product that can do 2 jobs? Like, it's the best. So I am going to turn on the fan. You are going to hear it in the video. There's not much I can do about that, but when I hit this button you can hear the fan turn on. So I like to section my hair into 2 sections because, like I said, I don't have a lot to work with. I might do 3, it depends on my mood. So I just clip this section up and out of the way so that I'm working with this section down here. And I'm taking about 1-inch pieces of hair and I clamp it in, and then you just twist and it's smooth, it doesn't pull my hair. And then once I get to the end, I hold it for a second, I pull straight down and out, like that. So you get this nice wave, but depending on how you hold the hair, you can get a tighter curl or a looser curl. It depends on how you hold the iron. So real quick I'll show you because it's so simple. I can easily get a tighter curl if I do the same exact thing. I'm going to wind this to the end, and then I'm going to hold it like a traditional curling iron and let it go. And you see how much tighter that curl is compared to this one that I pulled out. So that's the other thing I like about it. It really is flexible as far as what you can do with it, and I really appreciate that. So I'm going to keep going, and then I also try to alternate which way I'm turning the barrel. Sometimes I forget, so that you don't end up with that unicurl at the end. So before I had this, have any of you tried that contraption where it like sucks your hair up into the barrel and curls out automatically? I'm always terrified to try that because I feel like it's going to pull my hair out. So if you've used it, if it works, can you leave me a comment below so I know? Because I'm super interested in trying that. But then when I saw this, I'm like, well, this just seems a whole lot safer for my hair, and it's more multi-purpose, so this one won out. And I do like that even though I'm twisting it like that and pulling the hair through the barrel, it's never pulled my hair out. And when you're losing your hair, that's a good thing, you know? So that's the first section. Now I'm going to take the next section down. I think I am going to do 3 sections today, because why not? So Now I'm going to go like right at this part of my forehead and back. Pretty much like the crown of my head. And we're going to put that up out of the way. And we're going to repeat. So here's all my baby hairs that are coming back in. So one day I will have hair again. Today is not that day. So around my face, I always go away from my face. I just feel like it lays better that way. And as you can see, I'm starting to speed up now. It's just so fast. It's like the easiest way I've ever curled my hair. Which is nice because I have like a half hour to get ready in the morning before life starts, you know? Right, second layer is done. Now let's do the top. So these pieces I find are the hardest just because they're so fine. So I do them a little bit differently because I don't really want them super curly. So with them I kind of drag and twist and kind of elongate that process a little bit and then hold it out at the end. Otherwise you end up with like a super curly piece. And then same thing over here. I don't want these pieces super curly. So I pull and twist, pull and twist, pull and twist, and then I'm still pulling out. Like so. Alright, so everything is curled. So you can see it just creates these really nice waves. Alright, so that concludes the video. I don't use hairspray because I don't like the way it makes my hair feel, but some people would do that at this point. But yeah, so there is the finished product. This will last me through tomorrow, which I like. I don't have to do it twice. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'd love to see you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!